Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe. Today I bring you this fantastic looking Jaguar E-Pace midsize SUV. This particular example is the E-Pace R-Dynamic S D180 all-wheel drive, finished here in Santorini black metallic colour. As an approved used vehicle, it will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Key equipment highlights on this model will include ebony Mars red leather interior, as well as a fixed panoramic roof and heated steering wheel. Round the side, large 20-inch gloss black alloys with red brake calipers will be on offer, and there's privacy glass available from B-pillar backwards. Sticking with the rear cabin for the moment, passengers can enjoy a very light interior with plenty of legroom and headroom. There's plenty of air vents and independent heated rear seating on offer, all underneath that lovely looking fixed panoramic roof. Moving over to the rear, distinctively designed LED taillights and large twin exhaust pipes will be on offer, as well as once open, the boot space will offer plenty of storage space for a week's worth of shopping, and that's before you fold down the rear seat 60-40 split. A quick glimpse in the front cabin is no different, offering a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and the front seats will offer additional side lumbar support for added comfort, and those are also electrically adjustable. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar E-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content, and if you are enjoying watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now, or leave us a comment or question about it in the section below. Once inside the cabin, that Mars red leather looks absolutely gorgeous. Featuring on the doors and front dash, it will make the car look incredibly premium, and there's also memory function available for the seats too. The multifunction steering wheel is heated as I mentioned earlier and offers various controls for the vehicle. The color TFT screen ahead also offers bespoke drive modes such as rain, ice, snow for grip, economy prioritizing fuel efficiency, and dynamic unlocking a more sporty spirited drive. There is also a digital speedometer with roadside recognition camera and a number of active safety systems on offer such as collision avoidance, city braking, and lane keep assist function ideal for motorways. In the center, a 10-inch Touch Pro system will have everything you would want, such as built-in satellite navigation. There's also easy-to-use Bluetooth telephony process, and all your music will be delivered via AM, FM, and the DAB digital radio reception. Additionally, heated front seats are available with a 3-stage setting for the driver and front passenger, and other great features will incorporate Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces. To help you park, reverse parking camera with a wide-angle view will be fully complemented by audible and visual front and rear parking sensors. As we move down the cabin, easy-to-use 2-zone climate control system is on offer, and you can easily adjust the heated seating function through it too. A heated front windscreen is ideal for frosty months ahead of us, and the deep center armrest features additional USB connectors. An electric sunshade blind will also be on offer. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar E-Pace R-Dynamic SD180 all-wheel drive that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our Jaguar specialists on 01270 864 386, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it.